All right, this section is coming to a close. It wasn't long, but I promise you the information packed in here is going to be accountable for pretty much most of your trading success in the future and the consistency you're going to have with your trading. So, even though it's short, the homework part of it, the actual action steps of this section, are going to take a lot more time and practice and something you're going to keep on going throughout your trading career. Let's just review real quick and then we'll get into your homework assignments. Journaling can be a valuable tool for traders, helping to identify emotional triggers, analyze past trades, and set goal attentions. Developing a consistent journaling practice can help improve self awareness, self reflection, and leading to better decision making and trading performance. To make the most of journaling, it's important to set aside dedicated time for reflection, be honest and objective in your analysis, and use your insight to inform your trading plan and strategies. So, document, reflect, improve, and you're going to go through that cycle over and over again for anything you want to become better at in life, whether it's just trading, relationship building, networking, biking, whatever your hobby is. You're gonna use this process, and you'll find you'll become a lot better, much faster, and be more comfortable at doing high level work. Let's go into these homework assignments. Like I said, it's gonna take a lot more time and something you're not gonna stop doing. So see you in that next video, and we'll start wrapping up section 2.